So hello my esteemed viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be looking at how you can increase your coin or your earn per tap on Hamster Combat. As I told you in my previous video, Hamster Combat is another not coin, so don't kid with it. Okay, make sure you have a lot of time for it and make sure you refer a lot of people so that you can really earn from this. Okay, the first thing that you just need to do when you walk into this Hamster Combat is to start checking how would you increase your earning per hour. Look at the top here. The earning per hour is here. You can see I'm earning plus 17,000 per hour. And also check how you can increase your earn per tap. You can check up here. I'm earning plus 5 per tap. Okay, plus 5 per what? Per tap. Which means in on my click there will be plus 5. Okay, which means in on my click there'll be what? There'll be plus 5. If I just click one, you see plus 5. Click two, plus 5. I can choose to use my 3 fingers, plus 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. You can see how really it works. Okay, that is how it is. So all you just need to do is to navigate yourself to the earnings. That is on a location that you want to increase. Okay, you want to increase your daily earning coins. You can see the first one here, which is the daily rewards. Don't forget, always claim this. Okay, always what? Claim this. This is plus 6 million also. Always what? Claim this. So we're going to claim it now. So the moment you touch on it, you click on what? You click on claim. Okay, click on claim the daily reward. Now the daily reward is being claimed, and that is why you see it ticked. Okay, so do not forget. So the next thing you just need to do is to go what? Is to go to new Hamster Combat update, which is what? On their YouTube channel. And you gain what? Plus 100,000. Right? Which I've already done it. And I'm waiting to check to claim. I have checked now. And I have claimed 100,000. Okay? The third thing you must do, of which I have done it already, is to join the Telegram channel. Click on it to take you to the Telegram channel. All you just need to do is to click on join. Okay, this one also is to take you to the YouTube as well. Click on join or subscribe, anyone you see there. And another thing again you must understand is the X, which is known as the Twitter. You must also join it to gain what? 5,000 coins. Okay, on this place is where you can choose your exchange. I'm going to drop a direct single video on this exchange and its partnership listing for you to really get it. Okay, and the third one here is to what? Is to invite just 3 persons and you get plus 25,000 coins. Okay, you will both of you will get it. You get plus what? Plus 25,000 coin. Okay, so the moment you're done with this and you know that you have 3 referral already, you just click on check in. Okay, so this is not picking for me now because my referrals are less than 3. Okay, so just do this now to increase your what? Your earnings on your coins on Hamster Combat. So if you find this helpful, please do not forget to drop me a like, subscribe to my channel, and not forget to help me share. Okay, so thank you so much. If you have any question, drop it at the comment sections. I will attend to you ASAP, and I will see you in my next video. Right, bye.